In the proceedings, which were filed in the High Court on Friday last, attorney Tamieka Clarke is petitioning the court to declare that her fundamental right to personal liberty, as guaranteed and protected by Article 139 of the Constitution of Guyana, was breached by Socu when she was arrested and detained for advising her client to remain silent. Her client was the subject of a criminal investigation by the Guyana Police Force in Socu. She is also seeking declarations that the detention and seizure of her cellular phone by Socu without permission was wrongful, that an attorney to practice in Guyana is entitled to advise a client of his or her right to remain silent when being questioned by members of law enforcement, and that an attorney is entitled to consult with his or her client in private without the contents said being recorded in any way. In the court document seen by the newsroom, Clarke is seeking damages in excess of $100,000 for wrongful arrest and detention and damages in excess of $100,000 for breach of a lawyer's fundamental rights and freedoms. She is further asking the court for exemplary damages for the threat of arrest 3 days before her being arrested. Clarke has been practicing law for about 7 years, and 4 of which she prosecuted on behalf of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Shalimar Ali Haq. On Friday last, lawyers dressed in their robes protested outside of Socu's Camp Street, Georgetown office. The investigation into the arrest conducted by the Police Office of Professional Responsibility was completed on Friday and forwarded to the DPP for legal advice. When contacted for an update on Tuesday, DPP's Public Relations Officer Liz Rahman told the newsroom to make contact with Crime Chief Wendell Blanham. Blanham later told the newsroom that the file is still with the DPP. Clarke's arrest has been condemned by the Guyana Bar Association, Attorney General Anil Nandlal, and other legal bodies from the region and further afield. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.